All right, hey guys, it's Whitney here at Heartland CPR, and I have our two favorite puppies with us. I've got Jax and Reba. Oh yeah, Jax is excited. So today we're going to talk about how to do doggy CPR because we love our doggies so much, and we want to know what to do to help them in an emergency. Look at our cute babies. Jax, say hi. Reba, say hi. Okay, stay tuned. We're going to show you what to do. Hey guys, Whitney here from Heartland CPR. I've got a special guest with me. I've got Jax. Reba's being a little camera shy, so she may come on the camera. I don't know. But what we want to talk to you about today is what to do if your dog goes into cardiac arrest. Just like people, dogs get hot, their hearts get worn out, and so they might go down. So if your dog goes down and they're not responding to you, and you're unsure if their heart's beating, you can actually check a pulse right here in their upper thigh, okay? If you don't feel anything, go ahead and start CPR. You're gonna do 30 compressions to 2 breaths. So when you do compressions, if you can see right here on his upper part of his chest, you're just going to push down about 1/3 the depth of the chest. Jax likes to be in the shots all the time. So 1/3 the depth of the chest, or about 2 inches or so. So while your dog's lying there, you can see where 1/3 is. It's not like anybody's going to jump out with a ruler and be like, that's not 2 inches. So 1/3 the depth of the chest. 30 compressions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. The dogs are helping me count. They're great counters. And then when you give breaths, you're going to put your mouth over your dog's mouth and nose and breathe 2 breaths. 1, 2, right back into compressions. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So if you've got any more questions or concerns, make sure to check out one of our pet CPR classes or our information on heartlandcpr.com. Check out our Instagram page or our Twitter page or our Facebook page. Thanks for hanging out with us today.